Hey everybody, I wanted to shoot this short video to let you know exactly why we changed the name of our channel and why we changed the name of our video series from Can We Talk About Your WordPress Projects to Project Management for Profit. Here's why. For several years, we've been teaching folks like you, website developers, designers, agencies, freelancers, whatever you call yourself, primarily in the WordPress space, how to get projects completed on time, within budget, with features that meet the client's business requirements without sacrificing profit. But now the landscape is changing. AI is going to replace some of what we do, but not everything. And those who know how to focus on the things we do that AI can't replace are the ones that are going to continue to thrive and continue to make money. So we're broadening our scope to serve anyone who develops websites, regardless of the platform, because project management is project management regardless. And we're going to be focusing more on how improving your project management skills can actually save and make you money, because ultimately that's what we all care about, right? Here's what you can expect in our new channel and our new video series. We're going to talk about why project management sucks, but why it doesn't have to. I used to hate it, but now I love it, and I'm going to teach you to love it too. And one way that I learned to love it was by learning about the 6 principles that actually changed my life. And I'm going to show you not only how to apply that to your projects, but to your everyday life. We're going to cover principles and processes that save you time, save you money, and save your sanity. We're going to talk a lot about controlling projects and how controlling your project is how you actually hold on to more of your ROI. And then we're also going to talk about how AI can actually make the things you do way easier and way faster. I'm really looking forward to being much more explicit about how project management skills can set you apart from your competition and help you make more money. I hope you'll subscribe so you don't miss any of this juicy information. So until next time, stay productive, stay strong, never stop learning, and remain forever grateful. See you guys. Thanks.